before before we jump into more deeper into statistics, I just want to give a brief understanding of probability. We should learn about the basic concept of probability. I won't much go into deeper. So no, we just learn what will be what is meant by probability. In statistics we will call it as P. So imagine I have a coin, 1 rupee coin. This is Indian rupee coin basically. So this coin contains head, this is head, and this is tail. So after tossing my coin, I want an head basically. What is the probability of getting a head after tossing a coin which contains head or tail basically? So how I will know the probability of getting head after tossing my coin which contain head or tail? Don't imagine after while tossing it gets struck somewhere. Those kind of scenarios we are not considering. This is we are purely considering after tossing a coin it will be a head or tail. Then what will be the probability of getting a head? So this coin contains one is head, another one is tail. So after tossing, what are the total possible outcomes? After tossing this coin, what are the total possible outcomes? Total possible outcomes are it can be a tail or it can be a head. That means we have two possibilities, two total possibility outcomes, whether it can be a head or it can be a tail. That means we have two is the total outcome after tossing a coin. But what I am expecting it should be a head. After tossing, I want a probability of what will be the probability of getting a head after tossing a coin. So my met condition, I will say after tossing a coin, if it tails I won't accept, if it heads I want a probability of what will be the probability of getting outcome of head after tossing a coin. That means my met condition is satisfying only head. I have two total outcomes, total possible outcomes. One is tail and then another one is head. But my met condition, what I am expecting is head only, right? That means I have only one satisfied met condition, right? Then my probability of getting a head out of two possible outcomes are equals to 1 by 2. That means I am my met condition satisfied it head equals to head is 1 by my total possible outcomes are 2. It is like 50%. Just imagine I will tell another example. I will give another example. I have a bowl. Okay, with me I have a bowl. In this bowl I have different colored balls, cotton colored balls basically. Let's count this. I have three white colored balls and two yellow colored balls and two light blue balls and two pink balls. So if I am taking one randomly picking one ball, I want a blue ball out of it. What will be the probability of that? Just pause this video, just imagine what will be the outcome. Hope you done that. Now we will see. So what are the total possible outcome of out of it? So I have three white colored balls, I have two yellow colored balls, I have two blue colored balls, I have two pink balls. Total are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my total possible outcomes are how many? 9 outcomes. So out of it, what I'm expecting, I'm expecting a blue ball out of it. So what will be the probability? How many blue balls I have? Only I have two blue balls, right? So what will be the probability of getting a picking up a blue ball out of nine colored balls equals to my met condition is 2, my met condition satisfying is 2 balls only, right? 2 by what are the total possible outcomes are 9. So out of 9 colored balls, if I am randomly picking one ball, what will be the probability of picking up a blue ball? It is 2 by 9. For example, this time I changed my question. I want a I want to know the probability of picking up a white or yellow colored balls. So I have how many white balls? 3 balls plus how many yellow colored balls? I have 2. Total met condition how many? 5 balls are there. So total outcome possible outcomes are 9. So out of 9 I have 5 met condition. That means picking up a white or yellow colored ball, probability of P of probability of white or yellow colored box out of 9 equals to 5 by 9, right? This is a basic understanding of probability. I hope you understood. We will utilize this probability in our coming next videos, that is more exploring statistics concepts.